I'm coming today with a review of a camera bag. Now I travel a lot in India and abroad, and what I found is that when you look for a camera bag, and I carry camera enough for a travel photographer and a videographer, so it's not a very heavy kit that you have a lot of lenses, but it's decent enough that I need a bag, right? So I have gone through many bags, and I have seen the shoulder bags, which I find that it can carry a lot of stuff, but it just is not really either stylish or not really convenient for a travel, because the main reason is it cannot carry anything else most of the time, right? So it can't carry a bottle, it can't carry a coat, or if it can do both, then the space is not too much, or it doesn't have the convenience to quickly pull out the camera bag. So I have not come across a bag which has all of these features together. So what I usually do is I kind of look for a messenger bag, and then I put another bag on, on my shoulder, so that I have all the necessary stuff which is there in that shoulder bag, and my camera separately on my messenger bag style. Now I did try out few bags before, and one or two worked, but then I out kind of outgrew, and I wanted something slightly bigger, but stylish. It does not look like a traditional camera bag. So that's when I came across Vanguard Vojo 25. Now I have used a couple of Vanguard products, and I find that their products are quite stylishly made. They don't make it look very obvious that it's a photographer's bag like some of the other bags like Lowepro and other bags which is out there in the market. So this is the one, the Vanguard Vojo 25. So 25 stands for the liters. It's 25-liter bag. It's decent enough, spacious enough to carry a one full frame body with probably a 24-70 lens and probably a smaller prime lens next to it. You can also fit in an iPad inside that. I'll show you that. So it opens like this, and then the interiors are like really bright orange. So when you put stuff inside, you can see that it doesn't get lost inside. Some bags are like very dark inside or gray, and you don't kind of find stuff inside when you put it, like small stuff. So this doesn't have the problem. It's bright orange. There is a zip in the front which you can put your documents, other small stuff, SD cards or memory cards. Sometimes I put my travel documents, so when I travel abroad, especially, like you need your passports, your immigration forms, pens, and maybe tickets and all the printouts, whatever small stuff. So I put those things here, and then this is the space for putting a tablet, or it could be a Kindle. You can even put a book if you read a book on the flight or train or bus, one of your long journeys. You can put that. It has 3 compartments with the dividers, and this comes with one rain cover. And if you close the flap here, there is one zip which is outside. So if you want to take some quick stuff, batteries or whatever, you can put it here. But the really cool stuff which actually I loved of the bag is you can actually open the bag from the top. So if you pull the zip, it opens from the top, and you can actually access the entire inside of the bag through this opening. That's very important, because when you walk around a street, and you don't want to really pull this velcro up and then make all the noise, and it's not convenient. It kind of like stays open, and then you have to put your hand like this. So this really makes it convenient, because when it's slung across your shoulder, right, you just have to like put your hands like this, take it out, take a shot, put it back inside, and move on. And you can keep it open when it's on your shoulder. You can keep it open because it's not going to fall out. Things are not going to fall out because it has sufficient depth and cover around, so nothing's going to fall out unless you like really tilt the bag like this. So I kind of keep it open most when I'm just walking around, so I can like quickly put my hand inside and take a photo and put the camera back. So that's something which I find very convenient. Another one which I felt was very convenient was this trolley hook. So when you have a trolley bag, and you can just like slide this inside, so you don't put this on your shoulder all the time when you walk across airports and similar stuff. So it's not always on your shoulder, and when you need to be on shoulder, the straps are very well padded, and it's thick, so thick and wide, so it doesn't really strain your shoulder too much. um so yeah, so I felt this was a really cool bag, and I want to share with you guys my opinion about the bag. I will put a description link below. It's an Amazon link. That's where I bought this from. I paid around 6,200 rupees. You might get some discounts, so check that link. You will find the latest prices there. So yeah, all in all, I think this is a bag which I found really convenient, and it's really durable. Like if you like really feel the materials, and it's really tough. It's not gonna like fall off. The zips are like really strong. It's smooth, and you feel that quality. So when you pay for that, um, it kind of lasts for at least couple of years. So I think it's something which is worth spending the money on. And yeah, so Vanguard Voyager 25. Check it out. Bye, guys.